Okay, so here is the sawmill guide rail that we're going to use in a few days. It's got two parallel pieces of aluminum. We have screws, bolts to level and turn them in and out, and we have a stabilization system to keep the rails from moving on the log. Okay, so it will look something like that. It's 8 feet. The rails are 8 feet, the log's a little bit bigger. We have the leveling screws, and we do it for real. We'll actually use a level and adjust them, and we will stabilize by screwing a small wood screw here so that it doesn't move. Well, the next step is